Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to work a slip slip knit decrease. The SSK or slip slip knit decrease is a decrease that subtracts one stitch from your stitch count and slants to the left. So you'll notice right here I've got a slip slip knit decrease line right here, and another one just a couple stitches away. And you can see how both of those lines are headed towards the left. In contrast, on this side of the piece, I have a right slanting decrease, a knit two together over here, just to show you what the difference is there. So I've got a line here, my SSK is pointing inwards and from the right towards the left, and my knit two together is also pointing inwards from the left to the right. Here I am ready to work my first SSK decrease. To do the decrease, my yarn is in the back of the work. With my right hand needle, I am going to enter the first stitch on the left hand needle as though I'm about to knit it, and I am going to slip it to that right hand needle. So there's my first S, or my first slip of the slip slip knit or SSK decrease. Then I'm going to do my second S or my second slip and slip that second stitch over. So I now have two slipped stitches here. Both were slipped like a knit. My working yarn is still way over here. After I've slipped these two together, the next step of the SSK is the K part, which means knit. That does not mean knit the third stitch. What it means is knit these two stitches together. And to do that, what I'm going to do is insert my left hand needle from left to right into the fronts of those two slipped stitches, and I am going to knit them together by wrapping my yarn around the right hand needle and coming through. And then I have that left slanting decrease. I'll now demonstrate this in continental knitting. Here I am. I'm ready for that slip slip knit. I'm going to slip one stitch as if to knit, slip another stitch as if to knit, insert the left hand needle into the fronts of those two stitches from left to right, wrap the yarn around my right hand needle for a knit stitch and bring that through the two stitches there, which are now tilted towards the left. And I've subtracted one. I had two stitches involved, and now I have one stitch left on my needle. That, my friends, is the SSK or slip slip knit decrease. Happy knitting!